Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple RGB LED controller. This is one of the most straightforward RGB controller circuits you can make. It uses just 3 transistors, 3 resistors, and 3 potentiometers. The circuit is designed for a common cathode RGB LED. Let's get started. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. All relevant links are available in the description. First, we'll connect the D313 transistor. Connect pin 2 to the positive supply, and connect pin 3 to the red lead of the RGB LED. Next, connect a 100 ohm resistor. Connect one end of the resistor to pin 1 of the transistor. Now take a 10,000 potentiometer. Connect its center pin to the remaining end of the 100 ohm resistor. Then connect one outer pin of the potentiometer to the positive supply and the other outer pin to ground. Next, repeat the same process for the green channel. Connect the second D313 transistor. Pin 2 goes to the positive supply, and pin 3 connects to the green lead of the RGB LED. Connect another 100 ohm resistor. One end goes to pin 1 of the second transistor. Then connect a 10 kilo potentiometer. The center pin connects to the remaining end of the 100 ohm resistor. One outer pin goes to the positive supply, and the other outer pin goes to ground. Now for the blue channel, connect the third D313 transistor. Pin 2 connects to the positive supply, and pin 3 connects to the blue lead of the RGB LED. Add a 100 ohm resistor, connecting one end to pin 1 of the third transistor. Finally, connect a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. The center pin goes to the remaining end of the 100 ohm resistor. One outer pin connects to the positive supply, and the other outer pin connects to ground. With all connections completed, the RGB LED controller circuit is ready. Now let's power it up and test the project.